Victoria Bryant State Park is located in Royston, Georgia. That's in the northeastern part of the state, about 45 minutes north of Athens. This 502-acre state park's land was donated by Paul Bryant back in 1953 as a memorial to his mom, Victoria Bryant. A fun thing this park has is a creek running through it called Rice Creek. And in the summertime, in the warmer months, you can slide down a sliding rock in Rice Creek, which sounds like so much fun, but we were in there in January in the winter months, so we weren't going to be getting in the water. But all year round, you can drive right over the creek at the creek crossing. So that was really fun thing to do. The kids really liked getting out and walking across the creek. This park also has an 18-hole golf course, archery, biking, fishing. They have 2 fishing ponds you can fish out of. Fishing pond number 2 was closed while we were there for restocking, so we just enjoyed some ducks. They also have plenty of tables for picnicking. There's a volleyball net right there. There's a couple swing sets right there. They also have about 10 miles of hiking trails. We like hiking as a family, so we did part of the perimeter trail, which the total trail is about 2.5 miles one way. We just did about half of it. And then we did Victoria's Path. This was my favorite. It was only a half-mile trail, but it stays right along the beautiful Rice Creek. So you got really nice views of the creek the whole time. Are we swinging?
Yeah.
Yeah. Swinging. Right on the creek. This is so cool. And if you have kids, they have a really cool playground near the entrance of this park.
Oh, wait, you do it. Okay. Okay, dude.
And for our camping friends, they do have 27 tent, trailer, and RV campsites. They also have 8 platform walk-in campsites, and they have 1 bluebird cottage for rent. We really enjoyed this state park. It was in a beautiful setting. It's nestled in the hill country of northern Georgia. We would love to come back in the summertime and do the sliding rock and play in the creek. We love to go camping here. We're trying to go to all the Georgia state parks and historical sites. We've been to over half of them, so hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.
Adventures are out there. Come join us on this ride. From the Grand Canyon's majesty to the mountains high. With every mile we travel, in the beauty we will find. God's creations all around, so wondrous and so kind.